Yo, what is up, everybody? It's First One Series here, back in the video, coming to you guys. Different style video, and I invested my first $100 to the stock market. You're gonna find out exactly what I did and what my strategy is down the road. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave. So you're gonna see the clips playing right over here. As I'm gonna be talking, it's not gonna be a whole lot. I only invested, like I said, $100. This is my first time getting the stock market. I signed up on Webull using somebody's link, and I got a couple free stocks, and I also got, of course, the deposit bonus. So make sure you check my link and get your free stocks today. So you're gonna notice in my watch list I have a bunch of ETFs and index funds and just general dividend funds, and that's all part of my strategy. So I look to invest long term. One day, maybe live off of dividends. That'd be great, build up a right regime, dividend paying stocks, funds, get the whole 9 yards, and just continue to build it up as I get older and older. When it comes to retirement age, I'm hoping it's not going to be more than 50. I'll be well set and well diversified, as I do want to get into real estate as well. All these funds, at least from what I can tell, these ETFs and index funds are pretty good. I've done a little bit of research. This is what some people have recommended, and so with only $100, not many were below $100. For some reason, I don't know if it's just Webull or if it's my account or what, but I wasn't able to buy like less than a share of one. Like I wanted to buy some of the VOO stocks, so VOO. I know that's a really good one, but I guess you can only buy it for $300 or whatever the price was at the time. So that's a pretty good one. And you also notice that most of them are S&P 500 ones, and that's another part of my strategy because I believe the S&P gets a better return. If it's going to be dividend, I think it just makes sense to do that. You guys are definitely going to want to help me out in the comment section because I'm not exactly sure about all this stuff. I'm still learning about this. I'm a little more focused on crypto right now than the stock market. Eventually, I'll probably transfer, diversify some stuff to the stock market, but right now, majority my investment is in crypto. So as far as I can tell, a div yield between about 2 and 5% is the sweet spot for the dividend yield, and then expense ratio basically below 1% is what you want to go for. Div yield is over like 5%, then it's a little bit too volatile. I may have a chance of crashing down, or at least that's what Google told me. I don't know. Yeah, guys, make sure you sign up and use my link in Webull, and you guys can get some free stocks just by opening an account. Start your portfolio, and also if you deposit $100 like I'm doing, you get some more free stocks. Now they were running a promo for Christmas where instead of you get like the usual like 2 or 4 stocks, you get like 5, so you get some more stocks as well. I got a couple more Ford stocks or something like that, but hey, I have a little bit of help. So I went with the Schwab fund for about 60 something. I think it was like $63. That one kind of reduced my buying power drastically because there's only so much, like I said, I could do with $100. There's not a whole lot you can do, especially not being able to buy like a portion of a share. So I went with one share of that. We got that filled pretty quickly, and then I didn't care about trying to buy like super low or something. This wasn't like that important. I was just trying to get in because I'm not going to be selling this like at all. So, and then with the remaining like $35 or so, I went into VGI. This one it was a Vanguard fund. I didn't like some of the numbers on it, but I went with it anyway because I didn't really have many more options to go with. I think it was the best I could have done that I had at least on my watch list, which I picked from some research before. I still have $10 left over in buying power. I might just buy a penny stock or two and hope that I can make some money that way. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with that $10 left. Now, does anybody else have this problem real quick though? I want to ask this. On Robinhood, I submitted an application back at the beginning of December and I still have not been let in. I don't understand. Trying to get into Robinhood, you get a free stock there too, but Robinhood just has not let me in. My friend's friends also has not been able to get in, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on with Robinhood. I mean, I know there's like a lot of demand and stuff, but still, like it's been almost 2 months now. With Webull, it took like 1 day and then boom, I was in. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with Robinhood, but if you guys are interested in crypto, I'm doing some different challenges coming up really soon. If you guys want to know how to get free crypto to get started, check out my tutorial I put out a little while ago on how to get free money as free crypto. Coinbase earns. It's going to help you get started. It was like around over $100. Now I think it's about $70 you can get for free. Make sure you take advantage of that. As a complete beginner, I invested my first $100 into the stock market and into some funds. So let me know what you guys thought. Decisions there, what I can do better with the next $100 I put in, which I'm not sure when I'm going to be doing that. Like I said, I've been focused on crypto. But speaking of crypto, I will be doing a video very soon, investing $100 into crypto for 1 week straight. We're going to see what the results are. I also do that the same thing with just straight Bitcoin for a week, and we're going to see what the results are to sell a couple of my stuff so I can get some money back. But on my channel, I do crypto challenges, I do Instagram challenges, I do all sorts of fun stuff. I'm making money online. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.